Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 14th of October. And first of all, national news. Supreme Court to hear pleas challenging electoral bond scheme today. How can there be pre-screening committee for web series? Supreme Court asked. 15 kg gold worth rupees 8 crore foreign currency seized at Mumbai airport, 7 arrested. Bhagwant Mann launch website to streamline process of partition of land. President inaugurated new supercomputer facility at IIT campus in Assam. 5 Delhi government schools rank in top 10 across India. Manish Sisodia. Vistara Air India may be integrated into Singapore Airlines, a report said. Nearly 70,000 affected in third wave of Assam floods. Army dog Zoom, who helped kill 2 terrorists in Kashmir, dies of injuries. Main accused behind rocket attack on Punjab police headquarters, arrested in Mumbai. Threat to human lives. Maharashtra tiger that killed 13 captured. Vande Bharat based freight services soon. First train on Delhi Mumbai route. And now some international news. EU companies can ban headscarf at work, rules Europe top court. Russia warned of World War III if Ukraine joins NATO, a report said. North Korea said it tested and deployed tactical nuke cruise missiles. Day after UN resolution, Russian missiles targeted over 40 Ukrainian cities, towns. China only US competitor that can reshape world, Team Biden said. Shanghai's COVID cases at 3-month high days before Xi's big party event. Human brain cells implanted in rats to study schizophrenia, autism. And now some sports news. Women's IPL set to take place in March with 5 teams, maximum 5 overseas players in 11th, a report said. Women's Asia Cup, Sri Lanka's steal 1-run win against Pakistan sets up title clash against India. Juventus Angel Di Maria out of 3 weeks with hamstring injury. FIFA Women's Under-17 World Cup, India looked to salvage pride against Morocco. Mohamed Salah scored fastest Champions League hat-trick as Liverpool crush Rangers. Vietnam's F1 track abandoned as hopes fade for Tibet Grand Prix. And now news related to business. Sensex Nifty fall over 0.6% on global gloom a day after a sharp rally. Rupee weakened slightly to 82.39 as RBI steps in to limit further losses. RBI asked banks to stop building rupee offshore market positions, a report said. Canara Bank refused to share defaulters' names after writing off rupees 1.29 lakh crore bad loans. Wipro shared fall 6% after reporting lower quarterly profit. Tata Group Singapore Airlines in talked over Vistara and Air India integration. And now news related to science and technology. Human brain cells implanted in rats to study schizophrenia, autism. And world's first space tourist sign up for flight around moon. And brain cells in dish learned to play video game. ESA spacecraft took fiery images of sun before close flyby. James Webb Space Telescope captured curious concentric rings in space. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.